In Kentucky, farmers have been making syrup from sweet sorghum for generations. With its delicious flavor, it's hard to imagine anyone improving the syrup. But modern methods are enabling producers to make a better product. Crop specialist Morris Bitzer of the University of Kentucky says one of the latest methods is the float system.
About 6-7 years ago, one of our producers did it for the first time, and this has mushroomed not only in Kentucky, but Tennessee and Alabama and Ohio. We've had people from other states come into Kentucky and buy tobacco setters because we set it just like we do tobacco, and our production is as good. The main thing about this is that we can harvest 3 weeks earlier. We used to always cut everything by hand. And today we're using the binder. We don't strip the sorghum anymore as much. We don't have to strip the leaves to make good sorghum. The gas is a fairly recent innovation of a lot of people. Some people have been doing it for years by gas, but today gas makes it a one-man operation instead of a 2 or 3 man operation. And then the steam that we've seen here in Kentucky, this is the ultimate in cooking. We can cook twice as much often a day and yet have as good or better product.
Bitzer says modern methods have enabled sorghum producers to reduce labor, thereby cutting production costs. For the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service, I'm Haven Miller.